Hey boys, it's Cole from Black and White Snipes. Got an unboxing video for you guys today. So here we go. It's a Bauer Total One.
I'm riding around, I'm getting it. I'm riding around, I'm getting it. It's mine, I spend it. I'm riding around, I'm getting it. I'm riding around, I'm getting it. I'm riding around, I'm getting it. It's mine, I spend 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 it. I'm riding around, I'm getting it. It's mine, I spend it.
The blade.
It's mine, I spend it. It's mine, I spend it. I'm riding around, I'm getting it. I'm riding around my side of town. Boxing gloves, I beat the trial. I had the coke, I had a smile, I had the coke for every style. Crocodile, the gator type. I'm allergic to the hater type. I take your wife, give her back. 9 months after that, similar to saying mama's baby's daddy maybe. When we had sex, I was in a Mercedes. And I ain't crazy, but if that's my baby, it's gonna happen. Ain't no love, baby, Mercedes. The money that I'm making, I don't see you like
Package really tight.
It's mine, I spend it. It's mine, I spend it. It's mine, I spend it. I'm riding around,
Hold on,
I'm
man.
It's mine, I spend it.
How did they get this off? It's got grip, plastic sticking to it.
My polo, I can on the perfect definition of something you never seen. Maserati power, she bought my son a Beamer. It's really I got on, it's not you with such a dealer. It's all margarita. Double for my divas, I bring all my guns to work. Billboard arena, plus I'm killing features. And I'm killing shows, I should have sex in a coffin, cause I'm killing these hoes. Fulfilling these goals, climbing up the ladder. Keep your ass down, you know I'm
There we
real
go. Almost got it.
It's mine, I spend it. It's mine, I spend it. It's mine, I spend it. I'm riding around, I'm getting it. It's mine, I spend it. I spend it. It's mine, I spend it. I'm riding around, I'm getting it.
There you go. Alright. Here it is. Orange Pro Stock Total One. There's the blade. It's the orange. Some of you guys may know who it is. Braden Shen from the Flyers. I don't know if you can see that. It's an 87 Flex G3 pattern. It's like the weave of the shaft. It's got some extended length in it. There's the curve. It's like pretty much an Ginla. It's got grip. I don't know. I like it so far. It's a really nice stick. But this is my first unboxing video. So yeah. So comment on what you guys want to see in videos, because just starting up this channel, I'm going to be making a lot more videos. Got a bunch of pro stock stuff. I could make videos of my sticks or in the bag shots. whatever you guys want, I could get around to doing it. So just leave me a comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks.